For a plant to achieve its full potential, it needs proper care and nutrition. As specialists in the field of growing, we welcome the opportunity to give you all the information you need. CANNA Terra Vega contains all the essential ingredients that your plant needs for the all-important vegetative phase. This will ensure that your plants get stronger and grow faster. When you feed a plant, the roots will absorb the nutrient via the soil in the pot. This will then spread to every part of the plant. Nitrogen moves directly into the roots. It is nitrogen that makes the cells divide and multiply, making the plant grow. The multiplication of cells starts with the division of the cell's nucleus, which contains the genetic information. Nitrogen is required when the DNA proteins replicate themselves. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium enter the cell, making it grow. Nitrogen acts as the building blocks, while phosphorus and calcium make up the cement that binds these blocks together. More and more roots and branches appear. Together, they form the root system. The other elements are also sent up from the roots to the plant's growth buds. These buds will turn into new stalks with leaves. The cells in the leaf multiply in the same way as seen in the roots. When a new cell has been created, the other elements start to flow in. These elements attach themselves to the protein structure, and this forms a kernel which turns green. The nitrogen and the metals together create the chlorophyll of the leaves. The leaf grows and produces more and more chlorophyll. The plant becomes bigger, creating branches and making more leaves. The plant will now enter the generative phase and will require a different balance of nutrients. Watch the video on CANNA Terra Flores to find out more. And of course, don't forget the CANNA Rhizotonic and CANNAZYM additives, which are also used during the vegetative phase and will result in an even better yield.